Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. Have you ever run into this situation? You get to the park and shelter 4 is reserved. What are you gonna do? You don't need shelter 4. Why? Because you are in the 2024 Windsport 34J. I love this exterior kitchen, propane connection. There is so much to see. I can't wait to show you around the 2024 Windsport 34J.
With such a diverse lineup, every floor plan is unique, and the 34J has some options and features not available on the other Windsport floor plans. So to make sure you're getting all the bells and whistles you want, check with your local Thor Motor Coach dealer or build your own at thormotorcoach.com. Now, one feature all floor plans have in common, this beautiful new two-tone look. This is our Venice stone decor, paired up with California white upper cabinets and coastline gray lowers. The living area in the 34J is roomy, it's homey, it's all the things you want in a motorhome. You're gonna have seatbelts and sleeping for 7 in here. Now let's start with the Dream Dinette, because this is one of the areas you're gonna crash for the night as it makes into a bed. But when you have it set up like this, there is room for 4, built-in wireless charging, and a child safety tether. So the sofa here is another spot people seem to gravitate to. It has seatbelts for the ride, it makes into a bed, and it's where you want to be when you have family movie night. The Windsport has a Cat 6 cable-ready smart TV up here, so it is ready for anything you want to watch, no matter how you want to watch it. Couple more places to sit up here and one more place to sleep. Let's show them off. The driver and passenger chair swivel, and a table pops in between for some luxurious lounging. The other place to sleep up front, right up top, the 34J has the Project 2000 drop-down overhead bunk where a push of a button brings this bed down fast and quiet. So what's really great about this floor plan is being able to adapt it to your needs. Say you need more sleeping. Well, the 34J is a bunkhouse. Each bunk has a tablet holder and it is ready for you to climb on in. We have this little pantry right across, which is great for stowing away your favorite midnight snacks. So when the bunks are not on duty, just flip the top one up. Now we have this very large closet. A quick stop in the kitchen and we find all the features that make this feel like you're cooking at home. It's not some chore you have to do in a cramped kitchen. Over here we have a double bowl sink, and you have a nice amount of space between the sink and the 3-burner gas cooktop. You also have an oven and microwave when you're gonna bake or reheat. All great kitchens offer you storage, and you have it in the Windsport with a number of cabinets and drawers. There's more storage in the pantry, which is right next to our residential fridge. Stopping midship and we enter the bathroom, and it offers an impressive amount of space. There's plenty of room on the counter and in the medicine cabinet to store what you need. You're also going to have plenty of headroom in the shower thanks to the skylight, and the foot flush porcelain toilet features a mass rating system. Moving into the bedroom, the 34J features a king-size bed. You'll find large nightstands on each side, and above that, a number of storage options. Across is this very large closet with a number of dresser drawers. There's even a TV in the bedroom. At 35 feet 9 inches, this is a lot of coach, so you would think it would be a lot to keep an eye on when you set up and tear down. Not with Rapid Camp Plus on board. This is how you will put out your slides. Turn on your house lights, start the 5,500-watt gas generator, set the auto gen start. You can check your tank levels, control your heat, your dual roof ACs, you can control vents and fans. Even a touch of that button makes it easy to check on that standard 100-watt solar panel. Extend the awning from here, even run some diagnostics. It all happens on the main control panel or your favorite mobile device after you download the app. So getting to your favorite campground is an easy drive. Just how you want it. Under the hood is Ford's 7.3-liter V8 with 335 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque, so you can cruise down the open road taking in all that incredible scenery. And it easily pulls what you need on that 8,000-pound hitch. So a quick look at what we have up here. Controls for the heated remote mirrors with integrated side view cameras, one-touch leveling jacks, and a place for your phone. The steering wheel controls on the left allow you to scroll through items like trip meters, fuel economy, and maintenance reminders. The buttons below are for cruise control. On the right, this pad controls the infotainment center, Bluetooth calls, and a button to instantly pull up the backup or those side view cameras. Down here we find controls for the sunshade, cabin lights, the generator start, and the driver and passenger fans. That takes us to the center stack, where we find this large touchscreen radio. You have Sirius XM satellite radio, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. For the passenger, you get a flip-out dash workstation with outlets below. Those are powered by the 1800-watt inverter when you're on the road, so you can fire up the laptop when you're on the go. Then connect to the Winegard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. Then when you stop at those scenic outlooks and grab a few photos, you can share them with your family and friends right where you are.
So with all that space inside, and I might as well mention you have over 4,000 pounds on your occupant and cargo carrying capacity, that gives you plenty of room to carry all your gear. So what do you say we walk around the outside and show you all the features and options on this 34J?
The Windsport parked out here is done up in the partial paint with Caribbean blue graphics. So we got everything pulled out of the storage bays and set up, and this is the ultimate in campground cooking. Because let's face it, you don't know the last thing that touched that campground grill. Open up that exterior kitchen, get that grill tied into the propane connection, now fire it up. We can pull some chairs up under the power awning, we can turn on the TV. This is how you do camping.
So wouldn't you agree, when you get to the park, this is the ultimate shelter? It is the 2024 Windsport 34J. When you are ready to learn more, head on over to thormotorcoach.com.